The iPhone 15 Ultra is rumored to be a high-end replacement for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. 1. It may not be released until 2024, though. 1. Apple may differentiate between the standard iPhone and the Pro models, with the iPhone 15 Ultra having exclusive features. 1. The iPhone 15 Ultra may be priced higher than current models and could potentially replace the iPhone Plus range. 1. The release date is uncertain, but it is expected to be in September 2023 at the earliest. 1. The iPhone 15 Ultra may retain the 6.7-inch screen size and feature Apple's dynamic island notch replacement from the iPhone 14 Pro models. 1. Touch ID is not expected to return on any iPhone 15 model. 1. It may also use Samsung's latest display technology, potentially offering a max brightness of 2,500 nits. 1. The starting price is rumored to be $1,199, but it could be even pricier, possibly $1,299. 2. References. 1. iPhone 15 Ultra, everything we know so far. 2. iPhone 15 Ultra, latest news, rumors, and everything we. 3. iPhone 15 Pro, everything we know.